The sky and the earth. The sky. When we go outdoors and look up, we can see the sky above us. On sunny days, the sky looks blue. On the rainy days, it looks grey. When the sun rises, we have day. When it sets, we have night. During the day, we can see the sun in the sky. At the night, we can see the moon and the twinkling stars. Sometimes we can also see clouds in the sky. Our earth. All of us on earth, it is like a big round orange. Our earth has both land and water. There are more water on earth than land. The blue parts in the picture show water and the green part shown land. Types of lands. Our land has different kinds of land. Some parts of land are flat, are known as plains. At the other places, the land rises far above the land around it to form mountains. Small mountains are called hills. The land between two mountains is known as valley. More people live in valleys and plains as there it is easy to grow plants which gives us food. Air and water. Air around us. We cannot live without air. All of us plants and animals need air to breathe. We cannot see or touch the air. We can only feel it. How do we know that there is air all around us? When we switch off the fan, we can feel the air. Air can be hot, cold, cool or warm. Helps to smell, makes us feel good, hot, gives shape of things, helps in feeling cool, helps in breathing, helps bird to fly. Breeze and wind. The air around us moves. Moving air is called a wind. Breeze is a gentle wind. When the wind blows strongly, it can become a storm. Water. People, animals and plants need water to live. We use the water from river, lake, pond to do things. Lake, a water body with land on its sides. Pond, a small lake. River. Uses of water. Water is useful to many ways. We need clean water to drink. We also need water for cleaning, cooking, washing. We need water to grow fruits and vegetables and to sail boats. We must also keep our water bodies clean. Save water. We must not waste water. To save water, we should always turn off the taps after use. Use a bucket and not the shower head to take a bath. Air is all around us. Moving air is called wind. Water is needed by plants. Seasons. Most places in our country have 3 seasons in a year. There are summer, rainy and winter. Summer season for some months of the year we feel hot. The sun shines brightly in the sky. This is the summer season. We like to drink cold water in summer season. Small plants dry in summer. Rainy season. It is the months it rains for some months every year. Drop of water falls from the clouds. During these months there are dark clouds in the sky. This is the rainy season. Many new plants grow during the rainy season. Sometimes on a rainy season we see a rainbow. We wear a raincoat and carry an umbrella to avoid getting wet. In summer season, mangoes ripen in summer season. Winter season. For some months every year it is very cold. It is the winter season. We wear thick woolen clothes to keep warm. Some places become very cold in winter. Such places can have snowfalls. Many plants flower in winter season. Moving around. Sunday morning are special for Priya, Nikita and Tia. They meet at Tia's house early in the morning for their regular Sunday bicycle ride. From there, they first take a left turn and they go straight up to the road, leaving the bakery shop behind. From there they take a short right turn before reaching the house of old Mr. Thomas. Old Mr. Thomas lives with his wife. Every Sunday morning these three friends visit them. The old couple loved each other. The old Mr. Thomas tells them interesting stories and his wife makes delicious muffins, cakes and pudding for them. Moving to ways to move our body: left, right, forward, backward. Ways to we move: head, eyes, hands, legs. We move from one place to another with help of our legs. We can move the left or right and go forward or backward. When sometimes is in front of us, we move forward. When sometimes behind us, we move backward. Far and near. Certain places are close to where we live. Again, there are places which are far from our house. Using vehicles. We use vehicles to reach places far from our house. Cars, bus, scooters, train, bicycle or different types of vehicles. Thank you.